The Roper Whitney Autobrake, the perfect companion for your metal fabrication needs. With the synergy control managing all machine motions, upper jaw, lower jaw, back gauge, and bending beam, your fabrication process becomes seamless and intuitive. Experience automatic sequencing of parts, 3D part and machine display, 2D and 3D simulations to verify bend sequences and material handling, all at your fingertips. With a simple and reliable interface, errors can be easily corrected with the touch of a button, while the graphical user interface offers complete control with zoom, rotation, and displacement features. The Synergy Controls intelligence shines through with precise calculations for stretch out and notch patterns for box mode, optimizing the bending sequence for each unique profile. Plus, with the ability to customize bending sequences, you're in full control of your fabrication process. Unlocking versatility, the control provides three distinct hem types: open, closed, or teardrop. You can tailor your bending process to suit a wide range of fabrication needs, ensuring precision and efficiency with every fold.